In this video, I'll show you how to organize files in Monday.com. Start by opening the board where your files and project assets are stored. First, make sure your board includes a Files column. If your board doesn't already have one, click the plus button on the far right side of the board and add a Files column. Once the Files column appears, you can begin uploading files directly into the board. To upload a file, click inside a cell under the Files column. A small drop-down will appear. From the drop-down, click Upload from Computer. Select the file that you want to upload and then click Open to confirm the upload. After uploading, the file will automatically attach to that specific item or task. This makes it much easier to keep related files connected to the correct project activity. For example, design files can stay attached to design tasks, and videos can stay attached to content production workflows. To keep files more organized, use clear item names and group structures inside your board. Another useful feature is the File Gallery view. Click Add View near the top of the board and select File Gallery. This creates a visual layout showing uploaded files in one centralized location instead of opening items one by one. File Gallery View is especially useful for creative teams managing images, videos, marketing assets, or presentations. And that's how to organize files in Monday.com.